Good day everyone. Today I am going to introduce one new product that produced by the Dixon company. The product is Gen-Z Plus toothpaste. Why I am going to introduce this product here to you? Because nowadays 90% of the people in the world they are suffering from some form of the dental problem. Like some of the people have the teeth cavity problem or gum problem, or they have like the teeth sensitivity or some bad smell problem. That's really difficult for our daily life. So we have to improve, we have to correct these things in our daily life, so at least we can survive in the world very easily. And this oral cavity and teeth is directly related to our personality and also our physical activity in our daily life. This type of problem is really bad for everyone because it's directly related to our personality. Due to bad smell, sometimes we feel embarrassing to talk someone, like what they will think, like they may will questions our hygienic. So oral and the teeth is the most exposed part of the body when we are talking or we are expressing or we are telling something. So it's really important to keep it hygienic, and so that will be better, and like we will feel fresh also, and we can keep our oral cavity and teeth. Only it's rely on the toothpaste, so we have to use better toothpaste in our daily life. The chemical component used in this product is not harmful for us, so there is no any kinds of worries to use this product, especially this toothpaste is really good for the patient who is suffering from diabetic, because in this toothpaste there is no saccharin component in this product. So like sometimes the people want to taste like a sweet, but some of the people are suffering from the diabetes, but so they are afraid to use this product, like they are really use the sugars product. But in this product there is no saccharin, so a diabetes patient can use very easily, because there is no any kinds of sugar component in this mentha piperita. This is the really very beneficial for our health. Like this component give us some of this component give us the sweetness of this that product and the flavor, and there other components are keep safe our teeth from the decaying, or any other bacteria cannot attack our teeth or in our oral cavity. And so there is most of the herbal product are using in this product, so there is no any kinds of side effect. So I request to everyone use this product. It's really benefit for everyone, not for only a diabetic or some special kind of the person. We can call it universal product. This Dixon produced this product for everyone. This toothpaste not only take care of our mouth, but it's also help in the constipation patient. Like when we used this like this product relieve our constipation also. So it's really not only for our mouth, it is also for our digestive system. It's also very benefit. So we have to use. Please everyone use this product. It's very good and very sensitive to our